If your electric water heater is leaking, here are the top 3 most probable causes. The temperature and pressure relief valve is designed to open if the temperature or pressure exceeds the proper level indicated on the valve itself. A defective valve may release water regardless of the temperature level and will need to be replaced with a new one. The drain valve can be opened to drain the water heater for maintenance or to flush out mineral deposits that can collect in the bottom of the tank. A malfunctioning drain valve may develop a leak. Fully drain the tank and install a new valve to solve the problem. Even though tanks are coated to prevent corrosion, over time the tank may rust and develop a leak. We recommend reviewing the product's warranty before replacing the water heater. The parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your water heater.